Andre with Pinnacle Credit Repair here, and I'm here to talk to you on how to get a good credit score. We have two very important factors. Right behind me I have the FICO score algorithm. That's a calculation of how your FICO score, your credit score, is calculated. It's really important. You're going to have to master that, but it's not too complicated. And on the right I have these three links here, which basically are going to feed you with all the information on how to build your credit. Research is number one with credit, aside from the FICO algorithm. So I have these links here from reddit.com. It's a really good source for you to research on the trends of credit repair companies and also things that have worked with other people that have credit cards. So we'll start with number one really quick, which is reddit.com/r-churning. Churning is a term in the industry that we all need to understand what it means. That is basically understanding on how to utilize your credit cards to redeem cashback rewards and opening up new credit cards. So on reddit.com/r-churning, this is a forum that will discuss sign-up bonuses that the different credit card companies have. You're going to need to take advantage of those if you want to increase your credit limits. Credit card research, overall credit card research. Different credit card companies have different promotions, exclusive benefits that you need to be aware of, so you're building equity with your credit. You never want to miss any promotion or any new release of credit card information that the credit card companies have, if you want to scale your credit to 850 or somewhere close to that. And number two is award travel, right? We all want to travel. You probably have family in different parts of the country, or you just want to travel the world for free. This forum will show you how to do that. So this forum will talk about how to use your rewards points from credit cards to get free upgrades and hotel stays and rental cars, and even get upgraded to luxury status. So like if you book a normal hotel room, if you have a particular credit card, there's actually a way that you can upgrade your status level and get a room for either free or like for the price of a regular room, right? So that's really important. Also free flights, rewards points, that's huge. So you want to definitely read up. And number three, we have the personal finance with reddit.com. This is just basically a link to go over your personal finance, how to manage your bank accounts, how to manage your spending, what exclusive benefits banks might be offering. So you might want to open up a new bank account if you haven't already. This link is going to give you enough information for you to make the best decision for your credit. Believe it or not, if you have certain bank accounts and you use them accordingly, that will heighten your chances to increase your credit or get approved for credit cards. Because remember, it's the banks that are issuing out the credit. Really important. And the last one, which is Doctor of Credit. It's a independently owned company owned by two bloggers. And it's basically an authoritative site to basically verify whatever is on Reddit. Remember, reddit.com is an open forum. So most of the stuff is going to be accurate. I verified it myself, but you yourself want to educate yourself and make sure you use Doctor of Credit to verify anything that you may find on reddit.com, because you can trust Doctor of Credit. All right, so we went over the FICO score very briefly, and these four links, that's your homework. So make sure you visit these four links: churning, award travel, personal finance, and last but not least, Doctor of Credit, to basically educate yourself on how to manage your credit and how to use these credit cards. And then I will see you on the next lesson.